Amaphoyisa aseMpumalanga aqinisekisa ukuboshwa kwabasolwa ababili malungana nesigameko lapho kudutshulwe kwabulawa khona uDJ emva kokuvala umculo ayenandisa ngawo endaweni yokucima ukoma. Kubikwa ukuthi abasolwa babengeneme ngokuthi lo DJ useqedile ukunandisa, kanti umsolo kunguyena odubulile kusola ukuthi uthe uma eqeda kudubula lo DJ wavele wasibhekisa ngakuyena isibhamu wazibulala. Amaphoyisa aphinde athola isibhamu okusola ukuthi sisetshenziswe kulesigameko nezinhlamvu.
The detective from Mysore managed to arrest two suspects yesterday. One was found with a firearm as well as ammunition. The serial number of the firearm were filed off. So the other one, it's actually alleged to have been the one that removed that firearm from the scene, and as well as some cartridges which were also recovered during the arrest of the two suspects. So one among these suspects is faced with defeating the ends of justice. Meanwhile, the other one is charged with possession of unlicensed firearm with ammunition. They're expected to appear in court in the following week.
Amaphoyisa athi lezi zigameko zokubulala ezindaweni zokucima ukoma ziyethusa ngoba lesi sesithathu kwenzeka kule nyanga.
Before the patrons could come into such establishment, they need to be searched thoroughly. So what is more critical is that our liquor traders should come on board and assist us, because the issue of security falls within the authority. They need to ensure that their customers are safe.
Kusenjalo amaphoyisa asesifundazweni iWestern Cape aphenya ngesigameko sokudutshula kubulawa abantu abathathu ngosuku lwayizolo lukaKhisimuzi enyanga. Kulesigameko kusolwa abalisa ababili abangena endlini esehosteli Ofcon badubula kwashona abantu abathathu abaphakathi kweminyaka engu-25 no-40 ubudala. Owesine ulimale kanzima njengoba esesimweni esibucayi esibhedlela. Akaboshwa muntu mayelana nalesi sigameko.